Welcome to this tutorial on the Image and Video Safe for Work feature by Filestack. In today's session, we'll delve into the world of the content safe, exploring how this intelligent service can enhance your content curation, streamline your workflows, and create a safer, more engaging environment for your audience. So let's jump right in. Before we delve into the intricacies, let's grasp the essence of the Image and Video Safe for Work feature. In a digital landscape teeming with diverse content, Safe for Work stands as a vigilant sentinel, ensuring that the content you present aligns with your business values and maintains a safe environment for your audience. Whether you are a content creator, a marketer, or an e-commerce professional, this feature empowers you to curate your content thoughtfully. Let's roll on our sleeves and dive into how to harness the power of the Image Safe for Work feature. To access this capability through the Processing API, we utilize a task known as Safe for Work. This task, combined with security policies and signature, facilitates the seamless integration of the Safe for Work feature into your workflow. So let's take a look at the API requests that unlock this functionality. You can check if a file uploaded is safe for work using its handler. And also, you can check if an image from an external URL, for example from Google or another website, is safe for work. And additional, maybe you have already stored files into a personal S3 bucket or Google Cloud service. So using these storage aliases, you can check if that image stored is actually safe for work. Now, what does the Image Safe for Work feature's response looks like? It's elegant, simple, yet profound in its implications. When the uploaded image is deemed safe, the response will be this one. With this flag Safe for Work, set it in true. And conversely, if the content raises concerns, the response may appear as this one. With the Safe for Work flag, set it in false. The straightforward response acts as the foundation for making dynamic decisions in your content workflows. And well, beyond the individual tasks, the Image Safe for Work feature finds its home within the Filestack workflows, a realm of automated, interconnected tasks. By utilizing Workflows UI, you can create powerful, adaptable sequences that use the Safe for Work responses as a guiding beacon. This integration brings a new dimension of intelligence to your content management. And now, let's expand the horizon. Let's explore the Video Safe for Work feature, available exclusively within the Filestack workflows. The Video Safe for Work shares the same mission but for videos. This task is tailored for videos up to 10 minutes in length, ensuring the safety and suitable of visual content. As videos are processed through the Video Safe for Work feature, the workflows generates response that encapsulates the safety status of the video. The response might take this form. With the flag Safe for Work, set it in true. But in cases where potential concerns arise, this will be the actual response, with the flag Safe for Work set it on false. And also, you will find details on where you can find this on Safe for Work content, from a start offset to an end offset, and the confidence the tasks have for this. And well, maybe you're working with very large videos, so the response can get large for longer videos. So you can receive processing video results as a file by setting as a file parameter to true. In this case, the webhook will look like this. Here you will find an URL that will guide you to a file with all the information from the detailed workflow task. And finally, you can safeguard your brand integrity by ensuring the suitability of your content. Also, you can integrate Safe for Work into your workflows for efficient, context-driven content management. Foster a safe and positive audience engagement by curating content responsibly. And now we are going to test the requests that we can make using the Safe for Work task. First, we are going to check if an image that was previously uploaded into our Filestack account is actually safe for work. For that, we need its handle, and we can find the handle into our developers portal. For example, I'm going to choose this image and I'm going to check if it is safe for work. So I'm going to copy its handle and paste it into the request. And now we also need a policy and a signature. So we are going to return to our developers portal and we are going to click into the security tab. Here, we are going to select all the permissions for our policy and signature. In this case, I'm going to select all of them. And I'm going to choose an expiration date, and that's all. Now, I'm going to copy and paste our policy and our signature. And here, we can see our response with the Safe for Work flag set it on true. That means that our image is actually safe for work. And now, we are going to test our Safe for Work feature, but with an external URL. So for that, I'm going to find an image in the web and I'm going to copy its link. I'm going to paste it now into my request. And once again, we need our policy and our signature. And additionally, we need our Filestack API key. So I'm going to copy and paste our policy and signature that we already have generated. Our API key can be located into our developers portal. I'm going to copy it and paste it into my request. And that's it. Again, we are getting our Safe for Work flag set it on true. And finally, we are going to test our last request using a file that is located into a personal cloud service. For this, I'm going to copy and paste again our API key and our security credentials. And now, to execute this task, we are going to use the storage aliases feature. This alias can be configured into our developers portal. Here, I already have a bucket with the alias custom. So I'm going to copy the alias and paste it into my request. This alias is pointing to my personal S3 bucket. And right now, I need the path of the file. So I'm going to use a file that I have already uploaded. I'm going to use this image. This is the same image that I showed you before. So I'm going to copy it and paste it. And that's it. Again, we can see our response with the Safe for Work task set it on true. Right now, we are going to explore how to actually use the image and video Safe for Work feature from Filestack through the workflows using automated tasks to make decisions depending on the response. For this, we are going to move to our workflow section. To make it more easier for understanding, I'm going to create two workflows. I'm going to start creating the image Safe for Work workflow. I'm going to give it a name. And now I'm going to select the image Safe for Work task located into the intelligence panel. Our workflow is already saved. But now it's time for the magic. I'm going to select new actions depending on the response we get. So I'm going to add a new task to remove the file if the tag Safe for Work is equal to false. For this, I need to add a new condition for the task and add the Safe for Work tag equal to false. And now I'm going to select another task. I want to store my file into my S3 personal bucket if the image is actually Safe for Work. I'm going to add the new condition, but in this case, I'm going to select if the image Safe for Work tag is equal to true. And that's it. Now, I'm going to copy my picker configuration to run this file. You can check how to configure the picker step by step in a video from YouTube on the Filestack channel. Now, I'm going to run my program and I'm going to upload a sample file. Here, I will see the response from my workflow into my webhook. I'm going to copy and paste this response into a JSON beautifier to see it more clearly. Here, I can see all the information from my workflow. I can see that the Safe for Work tag is set on true, and also I can see that my file has been already stored into my personal S3 bucket. So our workflow is working as expected. And now, it's time to test the video Safe for Work feature. I'm going to create a new workflow and give it a name. And I'm going to select this time the video save for work task. And right now I'm going to do the same. I'm going to delete my file if the tag save for work is equal to false. And I'm going to store into my personal S3 bucket if my file is safe for work. And that's it. I'm going to copy the configuration and paste it into my code. And now I'm going to upload a video. Here I can see the response from this workflow. I'm going to copy it and paste it into my JSON beautifier. And here you can find all the information. Here you can see that the save for work tag is set on true. And I can see that my file have been already stored into my S3 personal bucket. And that's how you can actually optimize the image and video save for work tasks using workflows. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.